Hello, this weapon here. Today I have this ASSA Desmo. This is a cam lock, and it has 2 sidebars and 8 sliders, 4 on each side. The key here, you can see the slider track on one side and on the other side. Let's see if I can pick it. So here you have it. It will only open in that direction, and using tensioner up here, you have that mark I put there. Let me know when it's turned. Okay, you have a little bit of rotation. Just check if everything is as it should. Sliders on this side look jiggly enough. Let's check the other side. Looks okay. This one is not binding. Yeah. A little bit of rotation, and here we go. So it's just a matter of testing the sliders to see if they jiggle. You have enough space, you can just do it like this, check they are moving enough or if they are binding. And it's very nice feedback once you understand it. It's a very interesting lock to pick, very fun. You can see it's fully open. And there's another interesting feature, because it has no springs inside, it can lock up, and as long as you don't move much, it will open right up again. That's why I use the key first before trying to pick it, so that all the sliders would reset, and now it's completely closed. You can see the sliders are all in the same line. So let's get it. I have these sidebars here. I'm putting one on this side and one on this side. Are these springs here, and the sliders inside that have their through gates aligned. So here we have it, a gutted ASSA Desmo. You can see the sliders are these little things with these false gates and a true gate. And then there's this section. This section is what writes on the key and what you pick usually. And I can show you more or less how it works. I have this first one here, and then we have this one going here. Cannot properly line them up, but this is more or less what will happen, and as they stay in place, all the true gates will align. So this one has a true gate on top, the first one is in the middle, and This one is a little bit lower. And this one is lower still, just a tiny bit. The sidebars are simple. These parts will be the one interacting with the through gate when opening the lock. If you try to put a through gate there to go right in, if not, it won't go as far, and so it will not open the lock. These sidebars will be resting on those grooves over there, and only when all through gates are aligned with the sidebar will the through gates retract and the lock will open. So similar mechanism to most other sidebar locks that I've shown and picked. I couldn't take out this spring here. It's so in place that I don't want to risk it to remove it, but it's there. And these are the chambers for the sliders and the grooves for the sidebars, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.